I tested 15 plus free video generators. None match Grok, so skip the trash. Here's the one free tool that actually uses the Grok model. The site name is RoboNeo, and you'll find the link below. First, we have to sign up, so click this button. You'll see many options, but we'll go with Continue with email. Then click Register with email. We'll register using temp mail. Many people may not know how to do this, so let's walk through it step by step. Go to temp mail, you'll see an email address there. Click it to copy the email and paste it into RoboNeo. Then enter a password and hit Register. You may encounter a CAPTCHA. Solve it. A verification code will be sent to your temp mail. Go back to temp mail and refresh it. Open the email, copy the verification code and paste it in. Then click Next. Close the pop-up box. You'll get a 70 sign-up bonus, and it also provides 20 credits daily. Click New Project to start a new one, then hit Workflow. After the canvas loads, you'll see some messy graphics. Don't worry about them. Using this tool is so easy that even a grandma can do it. Click on the canvas, press Ctrl+A, and hit Delete. Once everything is clear, click the plus button. From the Enter Node section, select Text. Use the mouse wheel to adjust the size. Click on this node and select Image to Video. Now you'll see a text box to enter the image prompt, an image upload box, and both of them connected to an image to video generator. You can change models from here. Let's check how many credits each model costs for a 5-second video. Seedance 1.0 Lite costs only 4 credits. Grok costs 25 credits. Grok was charging only 4 credits for a 5-second video last week, but due to high demand, its cost has increased. You can still create 3 videos instantly, and since it supports temp mail, you can technically use it unlimited times. Select the Grok model. Even if you change the resolution, it won't affect the credit cost, so keep the resolution at 720p. Now upload the image here, and in the text box, enter the image prompt. Then hit the Run button. It takes about 10 seconds to generate. You can see the amazing result. Now go back to temp mail, click the Logout button, copy a new email, and repeat the registration process. Create as many accounts as you want, and generate unlimited Grok videos.